Today let's make pineapple ghashi. To a tadka pan add 1 teaspoon coconut oil, half teaspoon urad dal and 1/4 teaspoon methi seeds and fry until it turns slightly golden in color. Transfer it to a blender. To the same tadka pan add 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds and fry until slightly brown in color. To this add 4 to 5 Badgi chili or Kashmiri chilies which are not that spicy. Fry until they turn crisp and transfer to the same blender. To this add 1 cup grated coconut fresh or frozen and grind it until it turns slightly coarse. When you rub it between your fingers, you should feel it is slightly coarse. To a kadai pan, add 2 teaspoon coconut oil. Keep the flame on medium heat. Add half a teaspoon mustard seeds and wait for the mustard seeds to pop. Add 8 to 10 curry leaf and give it a toss. Add 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida or hing. Mix everything well. Add 1 cup pineapple pieces. Keeping the flame on medium heat, mix everything well. Add 1/4 cup water and boil the pineapple pieces for 5 minutes. Make sure pineapple pieces will not turn too soft. It should still have slight crunch in it. To this, add the ground masala paste and mix it well. So if you think the masala is too thick, add a little bit of water, maybe half a cup or 1/4 cup water, and mix it to a consistency you prefer. Add 1 teaspoon salt and mix everything. Check the seasoning if you need more salt. Add 2 teaspoon jaggery powder. I have used powdered jaggery. You can use grated jaggery if you have. And mix everything well. Add half a cup of water and mix everything well. If you like thin ghashi, then add more water. I like it slightly thick, so I am only adding half a cup of water here. Boil it for another 3 minutes or so, or until the rawness has disappeared, and your ghashi is ready to serve.